Hi, so welcome to the course that's going to help you get your books caught up so that you can file taxes, get that loan, or just understand where all your money went. So, my name is Anisha. Before I was a bookkeeper, I worked for about 8 years as a freelance sign language interpreter for the deaf. And so that meant that I had to do my own books. I keep up with my revenue expenses, and I didn't know what I was doing. So I kind of learned trial and error, made a lot of mistakes, and also experienced that frustrating time end of the year, really like the month or two before tax day, when I had to get all my stuff together, figure out how much I made, calculate everything I spent in the business. That way I could file my taxes. And so it was always like a time crunch. And I recently looked back at one of those, my catch ups, and I just saw things that I could have done to make that process a lot simpler and easier. And so this is kind of what this course is. I'm making it as what I wish I had back then when I was doing my books, just to make it easier so that even if you are waiting till the end of the year, it doesn't have to be that stressful. Just to note that this course is not a detailed, like exactly how to do your books to get them caught up. It's more like a general guide with checklists so that you know what you need to do. But I won't go into exactly how to do those things, so it's not specific to your business. And that's why I can't make it more specific, because each business operates differently and they might have different softwares they're using or workflows. So this is not a super specific guide. And I'm just like looking over here because I have a second screen with notes. But let me pull up I have a course summary map just so you can get an idea of like what we're going to go over. So I'm going to make myself smaller and then pull up that summary map. Okay, so prep your books for taxes. That was the working title for this. I'm going to leave it because we're all about simple. So basically, we're going to go over knowing your goal and deadlines, how to create your business snapshot, how to gather your documents, and then how to catch up your books.